How to align the views of viewport objects in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by VPSYNC command. It aligns the views of child viewports with respect to the master viewport. After synchronization, the child viewport's zoom factor is same as master viewport. This command works in layouts only. See how it works. Here you can see that we have created one circle and a hatch inside it. Switch to layout. Now we modify the viewport and view inside it to see this command functionality. Create a new viewport or copy this viewport. Now we are changing the zoom factor of object in second viewport. Here you can see both objects in viewports have different zoom level. Now run VPSYNC command. Select the first master viewport. Select the second child viewport. Press Enter. Now you can see that the zoom level of objects in both the viewports are equal. Similarly, you can select second viewport as a master viewport and first viewport as a child. Press Enter. You can see that the zoom level of objects are equal. Thanks for watching.